Army Arties, how goes thee? It's Pirate Blackbeard. It's not. It's me, Mrs. Hauduc. Hello. Right then, guys, I'll put my hat back on. If you want to get into the spirit, you can find yourself a pirate hat or make yourself one. And we're going to make some super duper pirate ships out of little wine corks and some paper and cocktail sticks. So I'm going to do the how-to of how to do it. They're really simple. And then afterwards, you can have a little race and blow your boat. And you can put it in the bath or even a puddle outside because there's quite a lot of rain at the minute. Anyway, I'll get started. Let me first tell you what you need. You'll need 3 wine corks, a couple of elastic bands, or you can use string to tie the corks together, 3 cocktail sticks, bits of scrap paper or foam sheets, some scissors, and some pens and pencils to decorate your sails. First, we're going to make the boat base. I need you to get your 1, 2, 3 corks, and we're going to put them together. Then we get our elastic band and we put them all around the top of the elastic band like this. And then you twist it over. Can you see the cross? And then you put it back over just like that. Okay, and then we've got one side all put together. And then I haven't got an elastic band, so I'm going to use a hair bubble. And I'm going to do exactly the same on the other side. So cross it over just like that and then put it back over the top. If you haven't got elastic bands, you can put them together with sellotape, or you can tie string around them, anything you want, and then you've got them all together like that. You see? Now we need to make the sails for our boat. So I've got my paper. I've got some lovely jazzy red stripy paper, so we can draw our sail on. So I'm going to have it just about the length of our cocktail stick, maybe a bit bigger. It's going to have a straight bottom and then curved around almost to the top and then a straight top here. And then we're going to cut this out. And then we're going to do another 2 sails that are going to be a bit smaller. So I've done that here. So I've got 1 sail and we've got a little skeleton drawn on it. And then we've got one a little bit smaller, the same shape but smaller. And then another one a bit smaller still. You can decorate all of them, or you can just put your pirate symbol just on this front one. And then cut them all out, and then we're going to put them on. So we finished cutting out our sail, just like this. Boop. Army Arties. Right, and then we're going to get our cocktail stick, and just be careful, we're going to put it through the bottom here. So you might be best to ask a grown-up to help you to poke it through, or if you've got another cork, you can put the other cork underneath and then put your sail on the top and just poke it through, poof, just like that. And can you see that I've made a hole? And then we'll do another hole at the top, poof, just like that. And then we can thread our cocktail stick through the sail. So we're going to go in through it first and then out through the top. There we go, just like that. And then it will be a bit curved because we need the wind to blow our sails. So it's going to be a bit curved, just like that. And then we can stick that into our boat. So I'm going to put my biggest one on the front of my boat like that. Pop it in. Can you see we've got our 1 sail? And then I'm going to do the other 2 and stick them behind it. So here we have our finished boat. So we've got our 3 little sails and it's ready to go and see if it floats. You could make a couple of these boats and see which one goes faster and get them in your bathtub. Right, now time to test it out. Let me find some water, me hearties. Now it's time to set sail. Whee! Is the shark going to come and attack? And look, you could even make another pirate ship. Oh no, not overboard! Help! And why don't you make a couple, and with any of your grown-ups or your siblings, you could have a little race. You could put them in the bath and have a race. Oh, shiver me timbers. Right, keep ship shape out there, my young pirates. I've taken one of the sails off here, so he's got a bit of a place to sit. Have fun, guys. I miss you all. Bye-bye.